Hello, and welcome to another episode of Golden Droplets, number 60. Today's episode will be very interesting. I just saw a video about how to use Strater and Voxler, two of the main software from Golden Software, to create 3D representation of crosscuts in geology, and it's amazing. So I will summarize that video and show you here step by step how can you do the same. So welcome to another episode of Golden Droplets. Enjoy.
Here is a summary of the main points of an online seminar on visualizing cross-sections in 3D using Strata and Voxler software. It covers exporting cross-sections created in Strata to Voxler for 3D visualization. The main points are: Strata and Voxler need to be installed with the same bitness, 32-bit or 64-bit, on the same machine to communicate via COM automation. Test that Voxler scripts can run before exporting cross-sections from Strata. Cross-sections can be exported from Strata based on lithology data or other data like line logs. Multiple well selectors in Strata can create intersecting cross-sections, forming a pseudo-fence diagram. The export options in Strata allow adjusting pixel dimensions, start, end depths, and saving in IV format.
The pro tips mentioned are: test that Voxler scripts can run before exporting cross-sections from Strata. Adding multiple well selectors in Strata can create intersecting cross-sections, forming a pseudo-fence diagram. Change the start and end depth values in the export options dialog to match the Voxler model. To create a cross-section in Strater and export it to Voxler, follow these steps.
Creating a cross-section in Strater. 1. Switch to the map view to see all the wells. 2. Click Map, add well selector, and click on the wells to include in the cross-section. Double-click when done. 3. With the new well selector selected in the Object Manager, click Home, New Cross-Section View. 4. Click Cross-Section, Add Create Cross-Section. 5. In the Import Cross-Section Data dialog, ensure the correct table and data column are selected. Then click OK to create the cross-section.
Exporting the cross-section to Voxler. 1. With the cross-section active, click Cross-Section, Export Cross-Section to Voxler. 2. In the Export Options dialog, adjust the pixel dimensions if needed. On the Scaling tab, verify or change the start and end depths to match your Voxler model. Check Export Cross-Section Only to exclude wells from the export. 3. Click OK to export the cross-section directly into your open Voxler project for 3D visualization.
Some pro tips. Test that Voxler scripts can run before exporting cross-sections. Add multiple well selectors in Strater to create intersecting cross-sections, forming a pseudo-fence diagram. Change the start and end depth values in the Export Options dialog to match the Voxler model depths.
Exporting multiple cross-sections at once from Strata to Voxler. Yes, you can export multiple cross-sections at once from Strata to Voxler by following these steps. 1. In Strata, create multiple well selectors for the different cross-sections you want to export. 2. Generate a cross-section view for each well selector. 3. With one of the cross-section views active, go to Cross-Section, Export Cross-Section to Voxler. 4. In the Export Options dialog, check the Export Cross-Section Only option to exclude wells from the export. 5. Click OK to export the active cross-section to Voxler. 6. Repeat steps 3 to 5 for each additional cross-section view you want to export. This will add each cross-section as a separate object in your Voxler project, allowing you to visualize and work with multiple intersecting cross-sections in 3D. The pro tip is to add multiple well selectors in Strata to create intersecting cross-sections, forming a pseudo-fence diagram that can then be exported together to Voxler.
Welcome to GeoVoices, your go-to YouTube channel for concise and engaging videos on geology and the latest geological news. Whether you're a seasoned geologist, an earth science student, or simply an enthusiast, GeoVoices offers insightful content that caters to a diverse professional audience. Stay informed with our expertly curated updates on groundbreaking discoveries, innovative research, and practical insights from the field. Join our community and enhance your geological knowledge by subscribing to GeoVoices on YouTube, GeoVoice.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.